Have you ever wondered how Feng Shui can transform your garden into a sanctuary of harmony and tranquility? Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese art, plays a significant role in designing a balanced and harmonious environment. It's all about the interplay of 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, each contributing to the energy flow of your space. Incorporating Feng Shui into your garden design can be a fascinating and rewarding journey, bringing balance and serenity into your outdoor space. So, how can you infuse Feng Shui principles into your garden design? Here are some steps to guide you. Firstly, familiarize yourself with the Bagua, or Feng Shui energy map. This ancient tool will help you understand the energy areas of your garden and guide you in placing certain elements for balance and harmony. Next, identify the 5 elements in your garden: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each of these elements can be represented by different plants or garden features. Then, arrange these elements and plants in your garden to promote a positive energy flow. This could mean placing a water feature in the north to symbolize career and life path, or arranging flowering plants in the south area to enhance recognition and fame. Experiment with different arrangements and observe the changes not just in your garden, but also in your life. Remember, the goal of Feng Shui garden design is to create a harmonious flow of energy, inviting prosperity, health, and happiness into your life. Intrigued by the idea of a Feng Shui garden? Well, now's the time to experiment. Try incorporating Feng Shui elements into your own garden. You'll be amazed at the positive energy and harmony it brings. Remember, your garden is an extension of your home and your spirit. It's a place where tranquility should reign, so breathe life into it with Feng Shui. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on gardening and Feng Shui. Let's create beautiful, harmonious gardens together.